Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 7 has Service Pack installed, and you know whether Excel 2007 is 32-bit or 64-bit so you download the right update. Next, back up your work to an external drive or cloud in case something fails. Once done, close Excel and temporarily disable add-ins via File, Options, Add-ins, Manage, then Go. This prevents interference during installation. Now you're ready to fetch updates safely and avoid common conflicts. You'll continue by obtaining the correct patch. Use Microsoft Update or search the KB number for the Excel 2007 rollup or security patch matching your business. Download the file, then right-click and run as administrator to ensure it can modify system files. If the installer offers repair versus install, choose Repair when updating an existing installation to preserve settings. Make sure the installer finishes fully and displays success. Then restart the PC to finalize file. To finish, open Excel and verify the update in Help About, or check the update timestamp so you confirm success. If Excel misbehaves, make sure to re-enable add-ins one at a time to isolate a problematic extension. Should installation fail or cause instability, use System Restore to roll back to a restore point and then try the installer again. Having backups ensures no data loss. If you still hit errors, record the error code and seek targeted support with that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.